How to fix Roblox Studio camera glitch. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to fix the camera glitch in Roblox Studio. You know, when the camera gets stuck or starts acting weird. Let's get started. Step 1. Reset the camera view. First, click on the View tab at the top of Roblox Studio. Then, select Reset View, or press the F key while selecting an object to refocus the camera. Step 2. Disconnect external devices. Unplug any game controllers or joysticks, as they can interfere with camera controls. Step 3. Change camera mode. Go to File, Studio Settings. Under the camera section, set the movement mode to classic or default. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Close Roblox Studio, then open the Start menu, type this, and press Enter. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox Studio. If the issue continues, uninstall Roblox Studio completely. Then, reinstall the latest version from roblox.com/create. Optional fix. Still having issues? You can create a file called client-app-settings.json and add a custom camera settings manually. Check the description for the code snippet. Apaga isso. And that's it. That was the step-by-step guide to fixing the camera glitch in Roblox Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.